The compass on the table belonged to Elian's father.
White Pass was where Elian's father had last been seen.
The torn map carried the only route forward. Rowan traced the path into the mountains. Silence fell after the truth was spoken. Rowan admitted he had returned alone. Elian rose in anger and disbelief. Rowan insisted his father had ordered the retreat. Then he revealed the hidden clues. Elian gathered the map and shelter coordinates. Rowan stood alone with the weight of the past. By dawn, Elian was ready to leave. Rowan's warning was clear: trust the black stones. Elian stepped out into the cold morning. Beyond North Lake, winter ruled the land. The valley ahead looked endless and unforgiving. The first marker showed the way forward. Ice and wind had claimed the valley.
Elian followed the frozen stream deeper north. Some markers were already half buried by snow.
Each black stone was a promise of direction.
Near the cliffs, the compass began to fail.
Its needle shook without settling. From then on, Elian trusted the stones alone. Then he found fresh footprints in the snow.
The easy trail tempted him away from the ridge.
He followed them only a few careful steps. But the tracks looked strangely shallow and wrong.
A faint crack stopped him just in time.
The footprints hid hollow space beneath thin ice. Elian backed away and returned to the safer route. At last, White Pass came into view. The cliffs towered above him like frozen walls. The warning marker still stood against the storm.
No traveler was meant to remain after the third horn.
Elian entered the pass before the storm fully closed. Inside, the path narrowed beneath ice and wind. Even the black stones were hard to see.
Another marker kept him moving forward.
Then the snow began to erase the road.
Elian turned and saw the pass closing behind him. In minutes, the way back disappeared completely. He searched blindly for the next sign. Through the storm, a dark shape appeared ahead. It was a shelter almost buried by snow. The heavy door opened against the wind. Inside, the shelter had been abandoned for years. Elian caught his breath and searched the room. A carved message drew him to the wall. The words changed everything. The pass led below. Behind the wall, he found a hidden opening. Then the third horn echoed through the mountain.
A red cord marked the old survey route.
Elian lifted his lantern and descended.
The storm light faded behind him. Beneath the mountain, a vast ice tunnel opened.
Elian entered the blue frozen chamber in awe.
An old lamp and frozen tracks proved his father came through.
Someone waited beyond the ice, and the tunnel began to break.